Today I am going to talk about some questions which are important for examination and usually asked in the examination. And one of them is temperature of an island remains more or less constant throughout the year. Why? Now this is our question. And if this question is asked in examination, you can answer this way. Uh, an island is surrounded by water, and if we expect very cold in an island, that may be cold winter night. Cold winter night. In a cold winter night, we expect that the temperature of island will be very less. And in hot summer day, we expect very hot. Okay, now I want to take these two conditions and answer the question. In a cold winter night, what happens? In a hot summer day, what happens? Look at this. Let's say this is an island and it is surrounded by, see, I'm making only one of its side. This is island. In hot summer day, there is sun in the sky, and during daytime, both the sand of the island or both the land of the island absorbs heat energy from sun, and water also absorbs heat energy from sun. And what happens? Specific heat capacity of this land is less than that of water. Specific heat capacity of water is more. Then what happens? Both of them absorbs heat energy. If specific capacity of land is less, then its temperature rises very quickly. And when temperature rises quickly, then what happens? The air which is present just above this land is heated up, because the temperature of this land is more. That's why air is heated up, and this air moves up. Because of being hot, it becomes light and it moves up. And when it moves up, the cold air blows from the sea to the land, because this is convection current. The water is comparatively colder than this land because its specific capacity is less. That's why its temperature rises quickly, but the specific capacity of water is more. That's why its temperature rises slowly. And during daytime, what happens? Land becomes hotter than the water, and that's why air just lying just above the land is heated up and rises up, and the cold air blows from sea to the land, and this is called sea breeze. We can represent this as this way also. This is sea breeze, and hot air is moving away. That's why in hot summer day also we will not feel so hot, because cold air, this is cold air, blows from sea to the land, and this is called sea breeze. And because of sea breeze, the hot summer day doesn't remain so hot. The other side, let's say this is the land, and in cold winter night, what happens? During daytime, land becomes hotter than this water, because the specific capacity of water is high, specific capacity of land is less. We can say that the specific capacity of sand which is present on the land is 800 joule per kg degree Celsius, 800 joule per kg degree Celsius, but specific capacity of water is 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius. This way, both of them are heated in the daytime, but at night what happens? Both of them loses heat energy. If a substance has high specific capacity, then it takes long time to cool down. That's why water takes long time to cool down, but the substance having low specific capacity takes very short time to cool down. That's why land becomes colder than water. When land is colder than water, then hot air remains just above the sea, so above the water, and this hot air rises above, because hot air becomes light and light air rises up. But this cold air which is present on the land blows towards the sea, And cold air blows towards the sea. What it mean? It means this is land breeze and this is cold air. In cold winter night, cold air is blowing away from the land. It means we can represent this way. Cold air is moving away from the land. That's why the land doesn't remain so cold. And cold winter night also doesn't remain so cold. And hot summer day also doesn't remain so hot because of here sea breeze, because here land breeze. That's why throughout the year the temperature of an island remains more or less constant. And this is our answer. We can write this shortly.